Finally, I can finish my drawing! Huh? Where are my markers? But I always keep them there. Ugh!
This is a disaster! My candy stash is gone!
Sammy, wait! Have you seen my markers?
Nope! So, no candy, no markers. Did we get robbed? That's it! I'm calling the police! Hello? This is Sam. Someone stole my candy!
Officer Ken's at your service. So what happened?
Thanks, Tibidaba. You're here.
Huh?
My candy stash was stolen, and Sue's markers are missing too.
Did you gather any evidence?
What evidence do you need? I had candy. Now I don't.
Do you suspect anyone?
I can't even think about anyone who could have done that.
Alrighty then. I'll try to solve this case.
But when?
Who knows? I can take a week or a year. See ya.
A year? No, that won't do. Detective Sam will find the thief.
That's a great idea. In the meantime, I will make an organizer to keep our stuff safe. Guys, remember to always ask an adult for help when handling sharp objects. There, the walls for the base of the organizer are done.
Sue, I'm out. I'm gonna go put up these posters.
Okay, good luck, and we'll deal with the textures now. I especially like this one.
Alrighty, where should I put this poster for everyone in town to see? There we go. I really hope this works.
No way! Sam's candy is missing? Oh, my feta!
Now, where would I start my investigation? Huh?
Oh, poor thing.
That was weird. I wonder where she ran to. Let's see. No way! Those are cookie crumbs from my candy stash. And is that a shoe? I bet it belongs to the thief. It's my first clue. Nope. Nah. Nothing. Okay, that can only mean one thing. The thief is not from our neighborhood. Sue, I found the first clue. Here, check it out.
Whoa, good job, Sam. But I didn't waste any time either. Look at that.
Don't leave any gaps.
Don't worry. This organizer will be 100% thief-proof.
Look at these weird strips. The thief must have used them to cover his tracks.
Not quite. I made those strips to make our organizer look nice and neat. See? There we go.
I want to help more, Susie.
Sounds great. But now we need some magic. Ta-da!
You sure this lid will keep the thieves away?
You bet. Wait and see what I've come up with.
Oh!
Hi! I saw your poster on the street and I decided to—
Shush! To my office, please! Here, have a seat.
Oh, thanks!
Name?
Chloe, what's with the lamp?
Occupation?
I'm a designer.
Designer of what?
Postcards.
All right. What did you want to tell me?
I saw Barbie today. She was so upset. Usually she smiles a lot.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Thank you. You can go now.
So, for the organizer to become a real safe, we need a code lock. Let's use a round piece of cardboard to create it. Let's make a hole in the middle. Now, we can carefully put the wooden stick in here. Nice. It looks a little boring. What should we decorate it with?
Sue, I found so many new clues.
Come on, Detective Sam. Spill it out.
Chloe said Barbie was unusually upset today.
What? That's weird. Don't waste time and go talk to Barbie then.
I will, but not until I finish with this donut.
I don't think so. This is a special donut. See?
Oh, yeah. Well then, I'm gonna go talk to Barbie now.
And I'm gonna keep working on our craft. Watch closely, guys. Now, we need special slots for our locks. Easy peasy.
Hey, Barbie, why are you crying?
It's nothing.
Are you sure? I don't want you to be upset. Here.
Okay, I'll tell you. It's my birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday!
Thanks. So I saw Ken and Chloe hanging out together. He didn't even say a thing to me. I guess he doesn't want to be friends with me anymore.
Oh no! I'm sure it's just a misunderstanding. Don't you worry. I'll get to the bottom of this.
Thanks, Sammy.
Susan, this case is so complicated. It looks like Ken doesn't want to be friends with Barbie. Oh, donuts! Oh, my precious.
Sammy, please, focus. These are just lockers.
Still, they look so delicious.
I know. Now, watch closely. The locking mechanism goes inside the organizer, like this. Let me check everything. So, you were saying that Ken decided to stop being friends with Barbie? But he loves her. There's gotta be something else going on here.
You're right! And why would Ken talk to Chloe anyway? What if he's up to no good? This is very suspicious.
You know, I think we still don't have enough clues to jump to conclusions. Maybe it was nothing. So, let's just focus on our craft for now, okay?
Oh, I think I got it. You are working on the second half of the lock, right?
Yes, Sammy. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, let's see if it fits. Now, if we turn our donuts this way, the lid will stay closed. See?
Holy cannoli, Sue! That's genius!
One more thing and it's done. The lid opens and closes smoothly and our code lock works perfectly. What's left is to come up with the password.
My favorite number is 3!
Then 3 it is. And my favorite number is 7.
We need one more number.
Why don't we ask Roger? It will be fair.
Hey, Roger, what's your favorite number?
1. Why?
It's nothing, just taking a poll. Bye.
But we need other numbers too. Guys, look. We changed just one number and the lock won't open. Cool, huh?
I will write down the password, just in case.
Oh! Hey, Sammy! I'm here to help with the investigation.
Follow me to my office, please. Have a seat. Uh-huh. Who sent you? Ah, forget it. What did you want to tell me?
Right. I don't know where to begin. So, as you know, I work in a flower shop.
Yes, love your flowers.
Well, this morning Ken came by.
Hi, Flora. I want the most beautiful bouquet you've got. Maybe that one over there.
He was holding a large candy box in his hands, and it was decorated with stickers! Just like the ones I gave you. I thought it was a coincidence. Oh, these stickers look so good on that box of yours.
Thanks. Huh. Bye.
Okay, see you. That's weird.
What? No way! Are you sure? It can't be.
I know, right? I thought he was acting strangely, so I immediately came here. Hope it's helpful.
Totally. Thank you, Flora.
Guys, I've got an idea. Why don't we make a secret section in our organizer? I'm sure Sam will appreciate it. That's it. Now we can hide all of our most secret notes at the bottom. See? Great.
You're not gonna believe this, Sue. I found the thief.
Oh, really?
It's hard to believe, but it's Ken.
What? Ken stole our things? Are you completely sure?
Well, yeah, I have to call his bluff.
And I have to make our craft look neat. Oh, such a pretty color. One piece is missing.
Here it is, Susie. By the way, I called Ken. He'll be here soon.
Great! We will finally know the truth. And this tray turned out just right, which is great as well. Now, it's time for my favorite part. Decoration.
Yay! I love it when we decorate things. Sorry, allergies.
Bless you.
Finally, I can eat some donuts. It's been a whole day.
Sammy, they are decorations. See? A little magic is never too much, isn't it? Let's add more sprinkles, too. Aww, so beautiful.
Wow! Honestly, I could eat it. Aha!
Hi again, guys. Did you call?
Well, well, well! I knew it! It was your shoe! Come clean, Ken! Now!
Please, don't be mad at me. I can explain. I wanted to surprise Barbie at her birthday, but all the stores were closed. The only thing working was a flower shop. So I borrowed some candy and markers from you guys to make a postcard for Barbie.
And Chloe knew all about it, huh?
Yeah, she's a designer and she helped me with the card. Guys, please forgive me. I just wanted to surprise Barbie, but
But what?
Barbie doesn't want to talk to me anymore.
Okay, we forgive you, Ken, but you must promise not to take other people's things without asking first. That's very rude.
Of course, I promise. Thank you, guys.
Don't thank me yet! We still have to resolve this Barbie situation!
If anyone can do that, it's you, Sammy. Oh, it's even more spacious than I thought. Wonderful.
Wait up! I gotta put my notebook in, too!
Okay.
There! Yay! It's finally done! Why don't we take a closer look at our organizer? Come with me, Barbie!
Shush! Here she comes. Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oh, you guys!
Happy birthday, Barbie.
Is this really all for me?
Bingo!
All's well that ends well. Thanks for being with us, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, friends! Oopsie! Sue, I think I put the notebook with the password into the organizer!